In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can reset your iPhone back to factory settings. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But before we do erase anything, we are going to need to back up that phone and turn off features that will block that reset. So first things first, open up that settings app, and what you're going to want to do is tap on your name up at the very top and scroll down and make sure that this device is selected. For example, mine's name is Gutierrez Wi-Fi, but essentially go ahead and tap on that, confirm your information on here, then back out and go to iCloud, and then specifically do an iCloud backup. So scroll down a little bit, select iCloud backup, and make sure your phone has had some sort of recent backup. If you need to, tap backup now so that your data gets saved safely to that iCloud. And from here, go back and make sure under this same iCloud section, anything important is toggled on. So if you open up Save Your iCloud, hit See All, make sure all of this is toggled on. That is important to you. So it is included in that backup. And from here, what you're going to want to do is scroll back to the Find My section right here and go ahead and just turn this off temporarily. You will be asked to temporarily enter in that Apple ID password to disable it. Make sure you obviously know that login, but once that is off, now we can go back to the main settings page and scroll down to this general tab right here. Scroll all the way down to the bottom and select transfer or reset iPhone and choose erase all content and settings down at the very bottom. This is going to remove everything, your Apple ID, your wallet, your eSIM, your apps, messages, and all that personal data. Tap continue, and if you are asked whether to keep or delete your eSIM, choose delete eSIM and erase data if you're selling or giving that phone away. After this does complete, your iPhone will restart and it'll be completely factory wiped, just like brand new out of the box. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.